I am talking
Okay.
about your past personal experiences wherein you never expected and something so wonderfully happened in your life.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So it's not too cool, but it's something that is remembered for me. Um, I was walking on the street, and suddenly I got a cash of 2,900, almost 3,000 rupees. It's in the bundle of that means somebody is fold that money and hold it somewhere, so it shows that there is money. So I was walking on the street. Oh, sorry, it was not my street, it was in our company. I was climbing on the stairs, and suddenly I found a money of like 3,000 rupees almost. So I just took it, and in our company almost 1,000 people are there. So whom do I ask, whose money is this? It's very difficult to ask. So first thought, it comes from my mind that I should ask, or I should surrender that money to our manager. But I thought again that this will not help to reach that right honor of that money. So after thinking a lot, then I decided, yeah, our salary is like next month it's due, and even I need some money. So I just took a decision that I'll keep that money.
Okay.
So I was happy. So I just kept that money. I decided that the Lakshmi has come to me to give you a surprise. So I just took that money, and I use it from my own benefit. So I never discussed to our company that I got the money in the stairs. And also I just have an hint to the members, if anyone has money, just discuss me how much money you have missed in your pocket, something related. But nobody has a serious view about this regarding money. So I decided this money is meant for me, so I just keep it and I use it for my own benefit.
Wow, that is wonderful. Okay, fine. See, I remember there are many instances. Have you heard of Tirupati, Tirupati
No,
Balaji
no,
temple?
actually it's on the bucket list. I just wanted to go. I think in the next year I will definitely go. Yes, I heard this is the place has very surprising gift there.
Totally,
It's
it has
magical. Yeah, yeah.
magical. It's you feel that you are nearer to God, something like that. That's
Yes, yes, yes. I
lot of
have
good.
seen, I have listened so many stories. It's regarding that very magical things happen there. If you want
Absolutely.
something from her, yeah, I've seen it. I don't
I
know
have
because if I have never, yeah.
now how I am trying to connect this situation to that is there have been many people who didn't have anything to offer to the God. Okay. And there
Okay,
have been some
okay,
people who just took a 10 rupee lottery ticket. Okay.
okay,
And they took a 10 rupee lottery ticket and said to the God, God, this is what I have to offer you. And they put that lottery ticket in the offering box.
oh, wow,
And to that surprise, that lottery won lakhs of rupees.
oh my God.
Okay. So these are the
Wow.
kind of surprises that you find. Now, when you told, generally, when I generally what I do is when I get this accidental money just somewhere lying on the road or something, if it's a small amount, I what I do is something I'll just go and give it to the needy, or I'll just go to the temple and put it in the offering box. But your money was big, 2,900. Absolutely, that is that is something that you need to
You
think
know,
about.
I remember one thing, one incident actually. I was on the cafe somewhere. So we were drinking a tea, and suddenly it was 10 rupees coin. It was fallen on the street. So I just took it, and I went to the shop. Whose money is this? Then my friend is asked me if that 10 rupees will, instead of 10 rupees, it will, if it happened like 10,000 rupees, would you dare to talk to that manager whose money is this? So it's the amount of the money decides to what to do next. If money is less, you just go to the people and ask whose money is this. But if the amount is higher, then you will never, your mind will get silent. Just keep that money. This money is meant for you, just keep it. So it depends on the amount, how much you are getting in the accidental money, kind of. So
Okay,
it's
but going on the same line of discussion, but see, these are all small monies. But knowing you, I have known you through some sessions now, and you always say that you have done well in life after starting your own internet related, the web content and the
Yes,
digital
yes,
marketing,
yes.
whatever that you do.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
imagine if you really get a lot of money from somewhere. Okay, if you really get a lot of money, how would you want to spend it? How can you spend? How do you, what all do you want? What are your hidden desires that probably you will fulfill with that money? And tell me other aspects. Let me know what all you would you want to do so that I know you better. Probably you
Yeah.
just won a 10 lakh
Yeah,
lottery
yeah,
or something.
yeah. I got it. See, what I'm saying right now, it will be different from that moment when I get that money, because you never imagine what will happen, how your mind react, right?
I love
So,
your honesty. I love your honesty on that.
thank you.
you know,
So,
the reality is we all want to do philanthropy when we don't have money. Okay, but when we get lot of money, we never know what we are going to do.
yes, you're like, I have, I remember that incident that I got 3,000 rupees. I just decided what should I do? I should go there somewhere. I should buy something. So many thoughts were coming on that moment of my life. So that only that 3,000 rupees, that moment of time, it has value from that money. It is a good value from that money, because I was not earning so much money, but good salary. But that moment of time, it has a very great value. So the thoughts were coming: what should I do that money? Should I buy the things? Should I go somewhere place or this and that? So it depends. So in my case, if I get that much money, so the first thought will come on that particular time: I should use this money, invest somewhere to buy a good thing, whatever, like man-made things. But here is again a story: if you invest a lot of money in a cash, you will caught by the income tax office. So this is the thing. Yeah, this is the thing. So you can use that money from different sections. Like you can build a charity from where you have a good impression, and then later on you just decided to buy a small things, and develop a things that is uh, that is not caught by somebody. Just buy a house, just from somebody's name, so that you will not caught. And
You are
invest
okay,
your
fine,
money.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that is the thing. So invest your money on that way, so that but yes, not too quick, because if you buy a lot of things in a single day or in a couple of days, then you will easily caught by so many people. So how is the money come from your, like, that guy is from like 2 weeks ago, that guy is normal, and now he's buying a lot of stuff. There is something negative part, something he's doing bad. That's why he got a lot of money. Because people have always a bad impression that how a person can earn a lot of money. They only have the thought that he's doing something black money, he's doing something bad thing, that's why he's getting the black black money.
Absolutely,
So yeah,
absolutely.
yeah. So this is this is a bizarre solution.